How to change page name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the name on your Facebook page in just few easy steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the app, make sure that you are on your page. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your menu section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as page. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the option labeled as page settings. And after that, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as name. Now here you can simply change the name as you want, and once you're done with that, simply tap on the review change. And after that, Facebook will review the request and you will be notified once it's approved. But keep in mind that once you have changed the page name, you can't change it for next 60 days. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.